In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Sendinblue. We're building a simple automation that captures emails from Gmail and sends those contacts straight into your Sendinblue, now known as Brevo, so you can keep your lists current without any manual copy and paste. You can do this in Zapier or Make. I'll describe the flow in a way that works in either tool. Start by opening your automation platform and creating a new workflow. For the Trigger app, choose Gmail and connect your Gmail account. When you're prompted to allow access, approve the connection so the tool can read the emails needed for your trigger. Make sure you're using the correct Google account, especially if you have multiple inboxes, and confirm you have permission to connect it if you're on a business workspace. Next, choose your trigger. You'll typically pick either new email in Gmail or labeled email. New email will fire on every incoming message, which is great for broad capture but can be noisy. Labeled email is more precise. You apply a specific Gmail label to the messages you want to act on, and only those will flow through. If you plan to use labels, create or select a label you already use to mark qualified messages like inquiries or signups routed to your inbox. With the trigger in place, add your action by selecting Sendinblue, also listed as Brevo in many tools, and connect that account. Once connected, choose what you want to happen. Add contact to Sendinblue will create a new contact. Update subscriber is ideal if the person might already be in your database and you want to refresh their details without creating duplicates. Add to list will place that contact into a specific list you use for campaigns or segmenting. Now map your fields. For email, pull the email address from your Gmail trigger. If you're capturing senders who write to you, use the sender's email field. If you're adding people you emailed, choose the appropriate recipient field. For name, map the sender or display name if available. If names aren't always present, you can leave it blank or use a fallback like the local part of the email address. For tags, add consistent tags that describe the source, such as Gmail, inquiry, or the label you used. Tags help with segmentation and future filtering. Before you activate the workflow, run a quick test with a real email that matches your trigger. Confirm the contact appears in Sendinblue with the right list and tags, then turn it on and you're done. You've connected Gmail to Sendinblue for a smooth, reliable contact flow.